Hey guys, now it's time to review the QC45s. In my previous video, I unboxed this. In this review, I'll look at the device, let's look at the buttons, the build quality, the cables, the carrying case, the weight, and most importantly, the sound, as well as the noise cancellation and the aware mode. Let's get into it. So let's have a look at the actual case and everything itself. So what's included is the 3.5 to 2.5 millimeter audio jack. So when your power goes out, you're still able to use the headphones. We've got the USB-C cable for charging. These can last up to 24 hours. Let's have a look at the build quality of this. No creaks, it's pretty good. So the air cushions are apparently a synthetic leather. It's quite nice, very nice on the head. So on the left hand side, we've got the mode button that switches between the quiet mode, which is noise cancellation, and aware mode, and that's the new feature, which is effectively the transparency mode. Then on the right, you've got the volume up, volume down, play pause button, and holding down will give you the virtual assistant. And there's the 2.5 millimeter jack when you've lost power, and now finally we've got USB-C. All right, let's have a better look at the carrying case. So pockets to hold the actual cables, quite lightweight, very nice hard case, which will help it protect itself. This is a very nice leather-like material on the actual zip itself. And a hook. Let's do an official weigh-in. Bose claims a 440 gram headphone. That's pretty good at 236 grams. $237-ish. And the case itself with the cables clocks in at 157, and combined a 396 gram total. So how does the Bose QC45 sound? First of all, noise cancellation. It is remarkable. They've just kept up their superior noise cancellation. Not sure if these really will beat out the XM4s, but they've really done a great job to keep the noise cancellation ahead of the game. The new feature for aware mode, aka transparency mode, is actually quite a great addition. The sounds that have come through are very natural, and it's I can't really floor it. So when it comes to the sound quality, the treble is bright and clear. The bass is just right. It's never distorted at full volume. If you wanted something which is a lot more punchier, these are probably not your type of headphones. The XM3s are really nice for punchy bass. The mids are the most outstanding part of this. Really rivals the AirPods Max. Let's now look at the Bose Music app. Let's start to connect. We're connected now. Changing the volume. Changing the modes. Let's have a look at the settings. There's quite a few here. The product tip's actually quite extensive. Quite nice illustrations. Switching between modes. Accessing your voice assistant. I don't know why you'd change this to high. Power auto off. You can turn off the voice prompts. This brings me to the end of the review. I really highly recommend the Bose QC45s. Bose has really done an outstanding job here. They haven't really deviated much from the original headphones. They've redefined world-class noise cancelling technology. With the new Aware or Transparency mode, the QC45 starts to close the gap with its competitors. Stay tuned for my other comparison videos with the QC35 and the Sony XM3. Cheers, thanks for watching, see you next time.